Hello everyone, I'm Dennis with MainWP, and this is an intro to MainWP Guided Tours. With the release of the MainWP dashboard version 4.4, we've added the option of turning on guided tours. Guided tours are in beta as of this initial release. These tours will walk you through how to use MainWP and should be really helpful for new users and maybe even show some veterans things they don't know yet. You can turn on guided tours in the Quick Start wizard when you're first installing the MainWP dashboard plugin, or through the Settings and Tools menu. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of those tours. We're going to start with the Exploring Overview page tour. And here you get a brief description of the overview page, and we press Start Tour. And it'll tell us to sync our child sites. And then you can continue the tour after syncing, but if you don't want to sync, just click Continue Tour. And then they'll show you the sync time, the last sync time where it successfully synced all your sites. And then once the sync is complete, all your widgets will be updated. And then this little image here is showing you that you can drag and drop your widgets to however you want them. And then we go to our page options, and it's telling us to click the icon to continue. So we'll do that. And here you have information on the Hide Update Everything button. Whether you want 2 or 3 columns on your widget page. And then different widgets you can show. So these will change based on what extensions you have installed and things like that. And a check mark means it will show, and an uncheck mark means it won't show. And we can go ahead and press Next, and then we'll save settings. We're gonna wait for the page to refresh, and then the tour will pop back up. And it says here, check your changes. If you made any changes, as you can see, I added some posts and pages on there. They'll show up here now. We press Next, and that's the end of the tour. And you can, give it a happy face if you loved it. If it was just okay, this, and if it wasn't good, this. And those really help us, especially in beta, to determine which scripts are helping people, which ones could be a problem. So if you could press those as you go through a tour, it'd be really appreciated. And I'm gonna close that tour. And when you finish a tour, it'll go away, or you can close it like I just did, but you can always reopen it by going to the Help menu and Start Page Tour. And that'll bring that tour right back up for you. If you like this information and walkthroughs like this, press like and subscribe. Once again, I'm Dennis, and thank you for using MainWP.